Hello guys, welcome back to Salesforce Anytime channel. Did you ever needed a custom permission to be created inside your Salesforce org? If yes, normally you would go into the setup area inside your Salesforce org and go to the custom permissions and create a new custom permission like I have created here as a special approver is a custom permission. I create normally because you wanted to give an access, additional access to a particular user and use this custom permission inside any of your validation logics or maybe Apex logic or whatever approval logics where you want to give a special access to a particular user, right? So in that case you would create a custom permission like I have created here, special approver, and then give that custom permission to specific permission sets or profiles so that only those profiles or permission sets can have this additional permission which you can control inside your code, right? So normally in Salesforce you would create that custom permission like I have created special approver as a custom permission, and then if you want to assign it to multiple users, then there's no way directly you can assign from Salesforce or directly using the custom permission screen itself, because if you edit this custom permission it's not showing me first which profiles or permission sets this custom permission has been assigned, and also it's not giving me an option to like edit it for the multiple permission sets or profiles, right? So in that case it becomes difficult and you would need to open each of the profile. For example, I have opened this profile here on my dev org, which is a minimum access API only integrations, and then you need to go to the custom permissions link here. Once you click on this it will open this which I have already opened for you. So here then you can actually edit the custom permissions here, and for a given profile then you can select which custom permissions you want to give, so which is good, which is not bad. But then if you want to give this custom permission to multiple profiles and multiple permission sets, then it's going to be a problem, because then you have to open each of those profiles and permission sets and do this action. Like I have assigned a special approver to this minimum access API only integrations user now, but then if I want to give it to like maybe 5-10 profiles, right, I have to open each of those profiles and then assign it. So what do you do in that case, right? How do you assign it to multiple profiles or permission sets? So I'm going to show you a way how you can do that. So let me log into PackMagics here using OAuth 2.0. So this is completely secure method to log in, and once I log in I should be able to go to the custom permissions menu, and I can show you how we can do this. So there's a menu bar here at the top, so you can see permissions. So just go to the custom permissions menu here, and now you can see it has given me an option to select a custom permission. So here you can select whatever custom permission you want to edit the profiles and permission sets for. So in my case I have just one custom permission in my dev org, so I'm going to select that. The good thing about this is it's going to show me whatever profiles or permission sets or permission set groups has this permission already, the custom permission. So this is going to be very easy to track. Otherwise in normal Salesforce org you would have to open each of these profiles, right, and permission sets to check whether the special approval custom permission has been given or not to these profiles or permission sets. So which is going to be a tedious task to do, right? Which is so that's why this is going to be very easy. So you got to know in a single screen what are the profiles or permission sets this special approver custom permission has been assigned to. So now how do you edit these, right? So let me show you that also. I'm going to click on this edit custom permissions button, and now I have to select which profiles or permission sets I want to do the editing for. So for example, I'm going to select a profile, two profiles basically, just to show you how it works. So I've selected minimum access API only, which we already given the custom permission, and then the minimum access Salesforce as another profile. And then I'm going to click on add profiles, and you can do a mix of profiles and permission sets also, but for simplicity I'll show you only profiles, but you could also select permission sets from here as well. So let me click on the get custom permissions button here, so which is essentially going to get the custom permission special approver for these two profiles. So now you can see the special approval custom permission has been assigned to both of these profiles, and if you wanted to change any one of these, which I recently given this, right, minimum access API only, if I wanted to remove this, I just remove it, and then I click on update custom permissions button. So once I click on it, it should take a minute and then update and give me results. So you can see the results are shown here. It says the remove custom permission whatever action we did, right, which is successful. Success equals to true. And if you want to verify this, just click on back button, and then it's going to remove the access whatever we saw here on the initial screen. The API only profile has been gone from here. If you want to double check and triple verify this, again click on this edit custom permissions, get custom permissions, and then you can see the updated custom permission again, which has been removed for API only integrations. And same thing, if you want to then you can do the same thing again. You give this custom permission back. You want to remove from another profile, just click on this, and then it's going to do the multiple profiles at the same time. So I'm clicking on the update custom permissions. So you can see it has added back the custom permission to the API only user, and it has removed the custom permission from the other profile which I selected. So button, you can minimum access API only integrations and remove it from the other minimum access profile. So this is what I wanted to show. This is going to be very easy and time saving productivity tool for you if you are dealing with custom permissions access inside your Salesforce org. This is going to be very, very helpful. So please let me know your feedback about this video, feel about this. If you have any feedback suggestions, please put in the YouTube comments area, and also you could put it here in the help feedback section. Thank you very much for watching this. Really appreciate your time. Thanks. Bye.